Good afternoon. Good morning.
Okay, students, today we're going to do one activity. That activity is related to our topic. That topic is Stone Age and Stone Tools. Stone Age and Stone Tools. So in that Stone Age and Stone Tools, we're going to do one activity. So in that activity, we want some material. Okay, so if you don't have this kind of material, no worry, don't take tension. We will do it whatever we are having. Okay, so I have this blank paper. Okay, take this blank paper. Then I have crayons. Okay, then take a pencil. Eraser we want. What we want? Eraser. If you are having sketch pen, so you can take the sketch pen. Scale we want, and we want one sharpener. We want one sharpener. So this kind of material we want. Okay, so let me start our activity. Firstly, I will show you one video to how to do the activity. Okay, but I know we don't have this kind of material. That's the reason I thought we will draw the Stone Age tools. Okay, so are you ready with the so firstly, students, within 2 minutes you can collect the material, that is a sharpener, pencil, sorry, scale, pencil, crayons, okay, eraser, sketch pens, and if you're having white paper, blank paper, you can take the blank paper. If don't have the blank paper, no worry, you can take out your EVS2 notebook. Everyone having EVS2 notebook? Yes, students, chat with me. Everyone having EVS2 notebook? Okay, Aditi, don't worry. Don't have sketch pen, no worry. We have to sketch with the pencil. No worry. Okay, so please within 2 minutes collect that material. If you don't have white paper, no worry, take your notebook. Okay, take your notebook. No worry, we will see the we will do it in notebook. Okay, if don't have a white paper, no worry, we will do it in a notebook. Okay, but you are having a pencil? Everyone have a pencil? Everyone having a sharpener, eraser? Yes. If don't have crayons, no worry, we will sketch with our pencil. Pencil is our best tool. If don't have a sketch pen and crayons, no worry, we will do sketch with the pencil. Pencil is our best tool. Pencil is our best tool. Okay, now see students, one more, we want scale also. Okay, so within 2 minutes, please students collect this all material. So let me start. Till I will show the video of the activity, how to do the activity. Okay, everyone concentrate on that video. Students, beta. Okay, students. I want to show the video, but I will show the stone tools. Sorry, stone tools. See. Okay. My screen is visible to everyone. Students, my screen is visible to everyone. Please put a Y if it is visible to everyone. Okay, very good. So are the tools. These are the tools. Okay. So in that tools, we have to draw these tools. These are some hammer. These all are the tools. Okay. Now students, see. In these tools are given to our textbook. Circular hammer stone, made from the stone, a borer made from the bone, and the antler used to pick the things. So these are the chopper. This is made from pebble. These are the scrapper. These are the scrapper. Okay. This is the hammer is made up of circular stone. Okay. It is a hammer. It is made up of circular stone. Okay. Now see, these are the flex. These are the flex. These are the borer. These are the borer to use in a stone age. This is the what? This is the antler to pick the things. This is the antler to pick the things. This is the hammer. This is the chisel. This one knife. So these are the stone tools that we use in a stone age time. That peoples are used the stone age time. Now see students, in the first picture there are the different stone tools. There are different stone tools. The stone tools like hammer, stone tool like stone tool like antler. I will show the, okay, then this is the antler. Okay, these are the hammer. This is the hammer like a chisel. Huh? This one also chisel. This is the bhala that we use. This is the hammer, circular hammer. This one is the chopper made up of stone or pebbles. Okay, or this one is the bone tools. Okay, this is a flex. This is a small hammer by the using of stone bones. This is the also a stone tools, not a stone tools, this is a bone tools. Okay, so this kind of tools, so we're going to draw this kind of tools today. So everyone ready to draw? Everyone ready to draw? Okay, now students, I want to see the students. Wait a minute. Okay students, on your webcam, everyone on your webcam, everyone having the material, everyone having material like white paper. If don't have white paper, no worry, you can use your notebook. Very good, well done, well done Ruchi, very good. Suhana, Haripriya, nice. Manas, yes, very good. Suti, Nirmal, you having a Suti, yes, very good Suti. Another Riddhi, you having white paper, very good. Dhruvi, Varua, Dhruvi, show me your white paper. If you're having white paper, okay, very good. Now, next one, Shoria. Everyone having white paper, pencil, eraser, scale, all those things you can Keep the material with you. Very good, very good. Well done. Well done. Now another. Okay. Lavanya, Arnav, Aradhya, Harshavardhan, show me your materials. Lavanya, show me your material. Yes, very good, Lavanya. Very good. Now, okay. Amaira, show me your material, Amaira. Very good, Amaira. Mayank Singh, Gauri, on your webcam. Lasya Doshi, yes, very good. Very good, Gauri. Akshara Falke, very good. Suhana, show me your material. I want to see every student's material. Huh? Aditi Muni, Akshika Javari, Sara Qureshi, Anuj Bise, please on your webcam. Please on your webcam. I didn't see. Okay. Very good. Okay, let me start our activity. Students, let me start our activity. Okay. Now, students, I will show the let me do our activity. I will show the screen to you. You have to that tools. You have to draw that tools. I also draw it. You can also draw the same tools. Okay, I will show the screen. See in your screen, properly observe that screen. Firstly, what to do? Wait a minute. Okay. Now everyone we have to draw this kind of tools. Everyone we have to draw this kind of tools. My screen is visible to everyone. My screen is visible to everyone. Yes, students. Okay. Okay. Firstly, what to do? I will show you what to do first. Huh? Okay, students. Wait a minute. Remove that. Okay. See my screen, students. See. This is the material. This is a whiteboard. Everyone able to see the whiteboard? See. Okay, whiteboard. So in that whiteboard, you have to take a pen scale. Everyone having scale? Take a scale. Take a pencil. Okay. Then eraser. Okay. You have already sharp your pencil. I know that. So firstly, you have to draw a border. Firstly, you have to draw the border. So how we draw the border? See, this way you have to draw the border. Okay. Everyone. Students draw your border. Students, everyone draw the border. Show me how to draw it. Yes, very good. Show me how to draw it border. Dhruvika, show how to draw the border. Everyone draw it. Don't wait. Dhruvika, show. Why you are laughing? Ruchi, show me how to draw the border. Okay. Everyone having the pencil, scale, eraser with you, na? Everyone? Very good. Now I will show the screen. Okay. I will show the screen. From that screen, you have to draw the what? Stone tools. You have to draw the stone tools. So let me start to draw the stone tools. Okay. Now I showing Manas. Just see. Okay. Now screen is visible. Screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, yes, teacher, it is visible.
Yes, very good. Now students, you have to start the drawing. And on your webcam, I want to see how to draw it on your webcam. Okay, students? Kritika teacher, just see the students, all the students are draw it properly. Just observe the students. Kritika teacher. Okay, students, start it. We are having a very long. Yes, Archana. All tools. It means that it can you cannot select only 5 tools in that. Only 5 tools. See, these are the some. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tools are there. In that 11 tools, you can only draw the 5 tools. Students, you can draw the only 5 tools. Select any 5 tools. Okay, students, your pencil is your best tool. Pencil is your best tool, students. Draw it. Keep your mobile front of you and you can draw the stone tools. I know everyone drawing is best, but do your best. Give your best. Yes, 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 Ria. You have to make any 5 tools. Or it is not necessary 5 tools. In that time, you can complete 2 tools. No worry. But try to complete the 5 tools. If the space is less, so you can draw the wait, students. Huh? See, everyone, students, see. I draw one tool. You can also draw. Okay, show me, students. Very good, Harshal. Very good, Amira. Very good. Sahara, where are you sitting? Okay, well done, well done. Now I shown. Now you can start the another tools. Okay. Okay, continue with your tools. Yes, students, continue. Suti, what happened, Suti? Suti, what happened?
Nothing, teacher.
So why you raise your hand, beta? Okay, draw it fast. Draw it fast.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Everyone busy in drawing, na? Don't look here and there. Continue with your drawing.
Yes, yes, teacher. They are doing, teacher.
Yes, very good. Anush, what happened? Why you raise your hand?
Teacher,
Hmm?
we
Yes,
draw
Anush.
all the tools.
No need to draw all tools. In this time, you can draw the 5 tools. If it's not possible 5 tools, you can draw it how much you possible. But you have to draw properly. Okay.
Teacher, but I have more space.
Okay. So let it be. Draw it at least 2-3 tools. Okay, students, see my second one is ready. Your second one is ready. Students, second one tool is ready. Show me your tools.
Yes.
Okay, students, show me tools. Okay, Amira, show just. Okay, wait, Amira. Very good, Hiten. Amira, just size should be large. Okay, Suhana, show me. Suhana, show me. Okay. Gauri, show me, Gauri. Tejas, Tejas, show me your tool. That antler, it's very nice antler. Show me properly. Tejas, on your video. Huh? Show me Tejas properly. Very good, Tejas. Well done, Tejas. Well done. It's a very nice. Okay. Shoria, show me, Shoria. Well done, Shoria. Well done. Show me properly, Shoria. Shoria Adangle, show me properly. Full page. Full page I want to see, Shoria. Full page I want to see. Keep it properly, Shoria. Okay. Okay, students. Tejas, Shoria. Tejas. I unmute you, Tejas and Shoria, beta. Tejas and Shoria, please raise your hand. Okay, Shoria, on your video. Shoria, on your video. Tejas also on your video. Shoria, where is Shoria? Okay, well done. Well done, Shoria. Now you have to, Tejas, show me your full page. Okay, well done. Now you have to color that stone tools. You having crayons and sketch pen. Students, you having crayons and sketch pen. Okay, now you have to color it. You have to color the brownish color, in brownish silver like color. Okay. Okay, like brownish, and this is what? This is a hammer. Hammer, circular type hammer. Okay. See everyone. Okay. Use brownish color. If you're having a sketch pen, you can use the sketch pen to border. Okay. Okay, students, I also don't have that much material because in lockdown period, I also know I am also not going the outside the home. So whatever material I have, I use that material. You can also use same material. No worry, if don't have material, you can try it when the totally lockdown is clear, all the things are clear. Okay. Now students, see, the next one is the hammer, but that hammer is a tight hammer. It's a, from this hammer is very useful. Yes, very good. Manas said to cut the trees. Very, yes. Hammer, it means it is an axe. Nowadays we say axe. We can use na this kind of axe. Okay, students. Now next one, I'll show the next again. See, I draw the antler. You also draw the antler. Antler is used to pick. Okay. Are you enjoyed the drawing? Students, are you enjoy the drawing? Yes, Tejas said yes. I know Tejas also like the do the drawing. Very good. Now see. See, I draw the antler also. Okay. Color the antler. Anuj, do it fast. Okay. After the coloring, you can name it. Huh? Name the stone tools. Okay, Dhruvi. Dhruvi Barua. I want to see your. Where is Dhruvi? Dhruvi, I want to see your drawing. Yes, Vedant Patole. It's very nice. Very nice, Vedant. Well done, Vedant. Harshal Kamble. Very good, Harshal. Yes, Tejas, I will show the wait for a minute. Dhruvika, why you close your webcam? Arya Maske, on your webcam. I want to see. Dhruvi Barua, where is Dhruvi Barua? Dhruvi Swadhin, on your webcam.
Teacher, see Arya
show a bit. Dhruvi, show me your drawing. Dhruvi, very good. Hand axe she draw. Very nice, Dhruvi. Beta. Dhruvi, keep your paper front of you. Other students, why you close your webcam? I want to see. Dhruvi, you also close your webcam. Don't close your webcam. On your webcam. Today you everyone have to on your webcam. Durvesh Gauri. Haripriya, show me your drawing. Haripriya. Okay. Karthik. Karthik Kamble. Show me your drawing. Hiten, show me your drawing. Very good. Shaurya Thorat, show me. Shaurya Thorat, show me your drawing. Very good, Shaurya. Sachi Rane. Sachi, Vedant, also you done very nice. Very good, Sachi. It's very nice. Wait, Sachi. Sachi, keep, hold it. Hold it properly, Sachi. I want to take out the screenshot. Very good, Sachi. Well done, Sachi. Now continue with your work. Vedant, I also take out your screenshot also. Other students, please on your webcam. Okay, Suhana, show me. Well done. Very nice. You all, everyone done very nicely. Suhana also done very nicely. Okay, I share same. Okay, everyone color it now. Everyone color it and name it. Name whichever you draw the tools, you can name it, that tool. Anshika. Okay, Anshika, I'll see, wait. Okay, everyone name your drawing. Anshika, where are you, Anshika, beta? Show me, Anshika. Students, in top of the, you can write the name, name your stone age, like this stone age, stone tools. This way you can give the name. This is a hand axe. You can also give the name. Circular hammer. I gave it my, you can give your. antler, okay. Everyone name and complete your drawing. Everyone complete your drawing. I hope everyone complete your drawing. Okay, students. Everyone complete your drawing. Very good, Kinjal. Nice, nice, Kinjal. Kinjal, show. Keep front of you. Wait, huh? Riddhi, show your drawing. Tejas, show your drawing. Kinjal, Riddhi, and Tejas. Hold your drawing, huh? Hold your drawing. I want to take out the screenshot. Okay, hold it, huh? Hold it properly. Very good. I hope everyone enjoy this activity. Okay, now